back. Had a brief little intermission. So, yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's freezing. God knows how many degrees it is out here. Hello. Yeah, see guys, there's snow. Lots and lots of snow. And you got people out here that's laying in it. That's literally laying in the snow. Couple jackets on, you know, pair of socks, pair of boots, and a scarf. It's not good enough. Sleeping out here all night long. A lot of these people don't wake up the next day. Especially the immigrants. I mean, some of them come over here from other countries, get caught up in the wintertime out here, drinking and falling asleep, and don't never wake back up. I mean, do they family and back in these other countries even know their family members are gone? I mean, how they get buried? I mean, do they have proper funerals? I mean, who knows? You know, it's just crazy. It's really, really crazy. Really, really crazy. It's messed up. Yep. So, I guess I did my work for tonight, as well as my work earlier. I wish I was rich, had enough money. I would definitely build some big houses and try to find a way to put them in it to help them out. You know, some would probably say, "Oh, well, you're going to enable them. You're going to enable them, and this and that." But I guess I would have to try to find some way to work it out to get them back on their feet. But there's no way possible that I can walk past people and see them laying in this. Literally laying in this. And not do something about it. And if any one of y'all can do that, then that's on y'all. But I tell you one thing, Manny won't be doing it. I can guarantee you and bet you that. Peace, guys.